Hello, welcome back to Capsim 2025, the top 10 winning tips. This video gives the details guide tip for round 3. I show you now. So for round 3, we started with top result, top 7, top profit. Here you can see the results, right? You can check the other video of round 1 and round 2 to see the details. Now we go into the detail of round 3. So we keep update the product you see on the screen, right? For round 3, we update the product 7.1, 12.9. Again, do not use a number. I just show you the strategy. Number may change from round to round, from game to game, from student to student. So again, do not copy the number. Sometimes number the same, but sometimes different. So please check your industry condition report to update the number, right? If you are not sure, send the email to me. Or you can check the video of round 1 and round 2 to see the details of how to update your Excel file you see on the screen, right? But the strategy here, you can always use that to win, right? The strategy is always winning the strategy, but be careful with the number, right? Number may change from student to student, from game to game. I say that 100 and 1,000 times, so be careful, right? So 5.9 7.8 we update the product, and now we add a new product after through, and 13.4 13.2, right? And 27. With this strategy, you always win. This is a broad differentiation strategy, right? Broad differentiation strategy always win with top sale and top profit. Now we just update R&D, right? So you see the top 10 winning tips. You always win. Use the industry condition report. Check the video of round 1, round 2 to see this, and use the Excel file. You can download the Excel file under the video. Update R&D. I just show you add a new product in round 1, 2, and round 3, and we double the sale and double the profit in the 3 segments, right? Now we are going to set the price. For the price, we just reduce the 50 cents each round to maintain the competitiveness, right? $33.5. Reduce the price by 50 cents each round to maintain the competitiveness. And for the new product, we can use half the budget, 1,000. For the other products, you can use this. Increase, right? So round 3, right, you can use 1,600. 2,000 is the most optimal, so we maintain 2,000. The most important decision now is to calculate the sale forecast. We use the report number 4 to calculate the sale forecast based on the number unit we sold last round. So I show you details how to calculate that. You are here, right? You have the unit we sold last round in inventory. You use that to calculate the sale forecast the way on the screen, right? We use that to calculate the sale forecast. So now we are going to input the number for round 3. You see on the screen, right? We can round 3 always has a total demand, market demand recession, so we don't have to add a new in the sale forecast, so we just use 100%. If you want, you can add 10%, it's okay, but just 100% is enough, right? So we input the sale forecast for round 3, right? So again, you do not copy the number I'm typing on the screen. I show you the strategy. Number may change from game to game, from student to student, right? So if you need to download the industry condition report from your game to make sure that's the right number, but sometimes numbers the same, but sometimes different. So if you are not sure, you can send me the email or message, right? Or you check the video of round 1 and round 2 to check that. And now we set decision for the production, right? You see, we have the sale forecast, and you had inventory, so we can calculate the production, right? Production. $65, right? 919. And now you can the max we can produce 600, right? So we increase automation to 7 to 9 for round 3, right? 9 to 7 for new product. We start with 3, right? And we check the budget if you have enough, right? So we can increase capacity here, right? For example, you see on the screen to use all the budget here, right? It's over the budget, so we reduce a little bit, right? So 400, that should be okay. That's for the decision for the production, and now we set decision for the HR. Sometimes we have this from round 3, so we can use recruiting spend for 5,000 and training hours, 30 hours or 50, 80 hours, right? 5,000 and 80 hours. And for finance, we can issue the stock for the first 3 rounds to have enough fund for production, expansion, R&D, promotion, and sales, right? And round 3 we pay very small number of dividend, right? And some current debt here, right? To maintain this around 30,000 to 50,000, right? 25,000. So we check this to make sure we have enough cash to avoid emergency loans, right? And now we check the income statement. We have very high sales here and 35% of contribution margin here, right? And also nearly 5 to 6% of net profit. That's okay because we are spending a lot here for promotion and sales, right? Promotion and sales, that's normal, right? Now we review on the decision for round. So for round 3 we have update the product, add new product in round 3, set price, calculate sales forecast, add new capacity, and adjust automation, and use 2 or 3 sources of fund to have enough cash, right? So that's all the thing we do that for round 3, and we are going to have top results I show. So for round 3 again, you have top sales here, you see much higher than all the competitors, and good profit here, and good and top cumulative profit, right? So again, you see the top result of round 3. With this strategy, we invest in round 1, 2, and 3, and we get top sale and top profit in round 1 and 2 and 3. And from round 4 to round 8, we will double sale and double the profit. We can get the top sale and top profit to lead the game, the game with like this, right? So again, you will see the result of all the 8 rounds, and you see on the screen, yeah, going up from round 4 to the top, much higher than all the other competitors, right? And you review all the decision here. It's more important to understand the game and winning the game at the same time, right? So each round you need to learn what decision to make, what report to read, how to update the product, how to set prices, how to calculate the sales forecast, and how to set decision for production automation, how to set decision for HR. I saw that in all the video of round 1, 2, and now in round 3. You can review the decision of review the video to understand before you continue, right? And if you require support, you can send the ID and part. I mean, set decision for each round, and then you can study and learn the same time, right? If you have any questions, just send the email, right? Or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.